Credit Repair business owners, you want to hit your first 10K a month? Well, this is the recruiting method. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how exactly we hustle in Facebook groups to be able to get more clients. And it does involve an ecosystem of content distribution and quite literally just hustling in Facebook groups. So we break down the strategy, very, very simple. And guys, you need to listen to this because this is exactly how I get all my offers, all my businesses to the first 10K months with this recruiting method. Guys, watch it, because if you want to get clients with predictability and have a new stream of income where you can go in and just recruit clients out of these Facebook groups, this is the video for you. It's going to involve no money down, simply just hustling and recruiting more credit repair clients. Guys, watch this video and let's go straight to it. All right, so we were just talking about recruiting. I kind of just want to run down this really quick because this is fucking vital over here. Recruiting is actively getting clients, going to Facebook groups, going to servers, going to membership programs, finding opportunities where people need your service, reaching out to those people and selling them on shit. So over here, we're just going through a couple of Facebook groups. The best Facebook groups to recruit on are groups where there's not a lot of promo, not a lot of spam, and people are engaging on. You know, typically those are private groups, in which case people are actually moderating them, just taking the time to moderate them. You know, but if you let's say over here we're looking at, you know, first time home buyer. We're gonna look at a bunch of first time home buyer groups, you know, because that's what we want to be known for. If you're searching through these, a couple of groups on here, that's you want to find things with at least, you know, 10,000 members plus, 5,000 members plus. This way it gives you kind of a good opportunity to find, you know, a plethora of people that you can always go into and always get clients. Yo, you're running low on funds? Great. I'm gonna go to these 3 groups that I'm known for, credit, and I'm gonna find a couple of opportunities in there. I'm gonna hustle the fuck out of it, and I'm gonna bring in some deals for my company. So over here, you know, first time home buyer, Texas, 1.9K. Might not be the best group, but let's take a look at it really quick. I'm gonna go into this group. You know, I'm going to see over here, there is a lot of promo, it looks like. You know, I'm not really seeing too many comments on here. To be honest, I'm not too crazy on here because I already know that people are promoting the fuck out of their own businesses, promoting their own business here, throwing graphics on here. So if I were to throw one of my posts onto a group like that, instantly my post will get swallowed up by all these people and no one's really going to see it. Because not many people go into one of these groups and scroll down to it. That's unheard of. You know, just like on Google search, when you're doing Google My Business, people really only don't go past the second page. So you got to make sure it's vital that you're on the first page of Google. Let's go to another group over here. We were just searching up a couple and we found this group over here. First time home buyers of New Jersey. Only thing I'm not too crazy about is that it does have 1.4K members. It's not really a lot, but that's okay. Let's look at this group over here. 1 comment, 14 comments, boom. And then the second what is this one over here? 1 comment over here. But then the third post down, we see an amazing opportunity over here. Look at the fucking third post down. I mean, we didn't really look through the comments too much, but that's where hustling and recruiting takes place. But look at this over here. So this chick over here, Leah, hey everybody, I work with helping people access funds to get their dream home. Long story short, she does for fucking mortgage brokers. She does funding. That's what she does. You know, she helps people access capital. Over here, someone over here responded to there. Victoria was like, hey, I'd like to know more about this program. Obviously, she needs capital to get her house. Maybe she's being held back by bad credit, which is why she can't access the capital. But look at this. Fucking Lee over here is being lazy. He doesn't even respond to this person. Chances are, if this chick didn't respond to this person, I doubt she reached out to this person. Screw it. That's your hustle. You can click on this name over here. I would even take a screenshot of that comment and I would reach out to this person. I reach out to this person, comment on her shit, and I'll go over to here. Look, she's actively looking for any NJ-based brokers in the group. View her profile, follow her, find a way to reach out to this chick over here. You know, maybe even comment on a couple of posts. Boom, you can comment on it. But there's always opportunities that you can find that you can recruit from. You know, one of the most valuable things that I found in my business was quite literally something like this. You know, I pay for membership groups. One of them is called like Capital Club. Capital Club, I'm always going to a Discord server and I'm always looking for opportunities like this where people want to run ads. All right, you got to find this kind of watering hole where there's not too much promo. There's enough people on there so you can always look back on it and get more people. Another thing is you got to make sure there's always engagement on here because again, if there's just too much promo on here, not enough engagement, it's not worth it for you. You really do want to find three groups that you can post value and that you can truly become known as that fucking credit, that go-to credit repair expert when it comes to getting approved for their dream homes.
Okay.
Boom. That's the rundown of recruiting.
Okay.
All right, cool. So another thing to add on terms of the recruiting is that as you're just doing just basic shit like engaging and becoming known in that group as the go-to credit repair guy, people are inherently nosy. They're going to be checking out your profile. So we built out this content calendar over here, so that you can ensure that you have, value reels, you're posting lead gen, like freebies on here, you're posting reels, you're posting posts to mix it up so that when people actually do check out your page, it doesn't come off as though this is like your side hustle or something like that. You want people to know that that when people are going to your page, that this is your main shit, that you make credit repair seem as though it's effortless for you. So content here is absolutely essential, and regardless, simplify it as much as possible. Another thing that we add onto the content schedule is over here, 30 to 50 daily combos. This is kind of like vital, you know. I run ads myself, and I'm still doing 30 to 50 days conversations every single day. You want to create opportunities and making sure that you're always conversing with people, regardless. Let's say it's 30 combos, maybe 10 might be reaching out to your followers, another 10 might be the recruiting strategy on Facebook, and maybe another 10 might be actively looking for real estate partners and mortgage broker partners as well too. But regardless, you got to have those conversations in there. Um, Boom. Next thing too, one last thing. Can you go to your Facebook profile? Because we gotta add a couple of things on here. Let's go to your profile. Hit the Facebook icon there. Yeah, hit your profile there. Okay, so like I said, when you're doing basic things like engaging and posting value content, people are inherently nosy and they're going to check out your page, whether it be your Facebook page or your Instagram page. Over here doesn't scream all that, hey, I'm the go-to credit card company to be able to get you approved for your mortgage or for your dream home. Now, your content might do that, but the Facebook banner right off the back does not. So what we need to do on this Facebook banner is you quite really need to write, I fix your credit to get you approved for your dream house. Schedule your free credit consult by clicking this link here. Search on Facebook here, or do I still have control on this? Let me see. I want to show you a profile that we did over here. Let me see if I can request. Well, I still can. Let me try this real quick. There you go. DY. Yes, like this. Uh, London Financial Services, maybe. Your name is. Hold on a second. Let me check. So check this out really quick. I'm not too crazy about this because she did not format it right. Um, like you can barely see the words on it, but the copy is kind of okay. But as soon as somebody hops on this page, it immediately help people get from denied to approved with 700 credit score in 4 to 6 months. Click to schedule your free strategy call and finally boost your score now. When they click this, you should have a link on here directly over here. And so I would change out your banner to have, say this. Well, not maybe directly this. This is too many words. People don't want to read shit. I would be like, I get people approved for the dream house by fixing their credit. That's quite literally all I would have on your page. And then be like, click to schedule now. And then over here, I would just have your actual funnel link on there or your website link on there.
Okay.
Does that kind of make sense? And then if you scroll down her page, you know, boom, she's always posting about it. You see her IG page linked to it, her LinkedIn, her Twitter. Fix your credit now and get mortgage ready. Boom, right to her website to schedule a call. So all these things you want to make sure you also have onto here. But like I said, when you're becoming known in these three special groups that you're focusing on, these three groups that have good engagement, people are posting, your shit doesn't immediately get lost with crazy promo, that you're able to recruit on people because people are asking questions. People are going to check out your page. People are going to want to know who you are because people are nosy. You want to make sure you have all this stuff already set up prior to that.